Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix error the maximum allowed number of rearms. Tip: Regedit in Windows search bar, right click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT, click and expand current version, click software protection. Open Skiprearm, change value data to 1, close and restart system. Click Start, Control Panel. Click User Accounts and Family Safety. Click User Accounts, click Change User Account Control Settings. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SLMGR space, -rearm. Click OK and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.